If you're feeling that things are a little chaotic in the world right now, you wouldn't be alone. And it can be very challenging to manage that in terms of the choices that we make, but also in terms of how we feel in our bodies. And fortunately, tapping is a great way to manage that stuff. And I hope you'll join me for some live tapping with my friend, Dr. Dawson Church, one of the lead researchers in EFT. We're going to be doing some tag team tapping to manage chaos and managing chaos in the world, managing the chaos going on inside of our bodies as we respond to that stuff to find more peace, which we can then feel inside and spread outwards. So please join us for this. That's going to be Monday, November 24th at noon Pacific. More information at tapwithbrad.com/live. I look forward to seeing you there. Thanks.